this meeting about?
Yeah, and then why did he call only us three in?
Well, I know why he called in Terrence down there. He keeps sending those erotic pictures across the old all-staff email.
Okay, people love the human body. It's probably because Jeffy has been eaten out of everybody's lunches.
I only nibble, graze even. Oh, it's probably Trevor over here. He's always flooding the toilets.
I'm not flooding the toilet, it's the toilet paper.
Oh, that's
I'm
disgusting.
No,
I think it's gross. I think it's extra guts.
Ah! No salute?
Sorry, what?
When a police chief walks into his room, his people salute. I'm the police chief of this accounting firm. Why not me? Nice, I feel better. Now it's come to my attention that certain people in this room don't understand the concept of basic professionalism. Now I run a tight ship, and I expect...
Me so horny, me so horny, me so horny, me so horny, me so horny,
Whose phone was that? Just answer the phone, I won't be mad. Answer the phone. Answer the goddamn phone! Oh my God! I swear to the Sun King, when I find out whose phone that is, I'm gonna tear them apart! Is it you? No. Where is that coming from? Where's it coming from? Where is it? It's moving with me! It sounds like it's...
me so horny,
It was my phone. Hello? Hello, sweetheart. Yes, I did hear the new ringtone. It's hilarious. What an excellent prank. Yes, I'll see you tonight at dinner. I love you. Goodbye. That was my husband. He's gay.